Winter is around the corner. Let's make some assorted pepper soup. I like to parboil the assorted meat to get rid of all the extra yucky that comes with it. Strain that and rinse with water. I blended half an onion and 3 Scotch bonnets and set aside. I am using goat meat as well. In a pot, pour in the goat meat and assorted meat. Season with blended peppers, ginger and garlic paste, seasoning cubes, salt, and Cameroon pepper. Mix that in well, then pour in enough water to cook the meat on medium to low heat. This is my favorite pepper soup spice. About 25 minutes later, I added more water and the pepper soup spice. Stir a bit and let it cook for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, the soup is ready. Time to cozy up with a plate. I like to pair mine with a side of boiled plantain. Bye!